guys, how are you doing? I hope you're well, blessed, and kept of the Lord. And guys, it's the time again of making amazing recipes. If you are new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, then you are the best. So today guys, we are going to be making the amazing chicken pilau. I did a peas and potato pilau and you guys loved it, so I figured why not do one that I love with my favorite meat, chicken. So guys, let me just tell you what I'm using, then we get straight into it. So that's my rice, and the chicken, I marinated it with some rosemary, paprika, and chicken masala. Remember that the ingredients are always in the description box, and like in the other pilau recipe, we'll need some potatoes, which are optional, but it's good to have them. We'll need some garlic and ginger, onions, cooking oil. For the spices, I'll be using pilau masala, garam masala, and chicken masala. And guys, I do not believe that it's pilau for me without guacamole, or some people call it, or as we'd rather call it, kachumbari. So that's what I'll be having mine with. So guys, I am so sorry if my voice is hoarse. I have been battling a very bad cold, but we move guys, we move. So let's get just straight into cooking. So guys, as we always do, and as you know, we always heat up our sufuria or our cooking pot with some oil. Once everything is hot, we are going to pop in our onions and sizzle, guys. I mean, it's my favorite part. It's my favorite part. So we are going to just cook the onions until they are golden brown. Now remember to keep stirring so that some parts don't cook and others don't. So keep checking on your onions. And guys, once your onions are at this point, please do not let them go beyond this, because like I always say, onions move from golden brown to burnt real fast. So at this point, I'm going to add in my marinated chicken, and remember to marinate your chicken for as long as possible. Please do not cook your pilau masala without marinating your chicken. I have done it before, but it tastes way better when I have marinated my chicken. So I would really advise that you marinate your chicken before making your chicken pilau. So we're going to give that a nice stir, and something that you are not going to see me doing, guys, and I am so sorry, is the point where I'm adding the garlic and ginger. I don't know why, but in the previous video I didn't show it, and in this one I didn't show it, so I am so sorry. So after a few minutes of just letting the chicken brown a little bit, I'm going to add in my spices, garam masala, pilau masala, and chicken masala. And the pilau masala is a little bit more than the garam and the chicken masala. So once I've added that in, give that a nice stir, ensure everything is coated in the chicken. And at this point, I'm sure you can notice that the onions are a little bit dark, but trust me, it's not burnt. It's perfect, guys. It's perfect. So we're going to add in there our potatoes, and remember I said that the potatoes are optional, but they just take this meal to another level. So once I've added in my potatoes and given that a nice stir, the next thing I'm going to add is I'm going to add my rice. Now this is pishori rice, and I washed it and drained it. Please don't use your rice without washing, but for people who don't wash their rice, I'm not here to judge you. However you like cooking your rice, then please do so, but as for me, I always wash it. So once I've added in my rice, stir that real well, ensure everything is just well incorporated. Then we are going to add in our water. Put water that is equivalent to your rice. Now for me, if I use 2 cups of rice, I put water 3.5. I don't put 4, because I always let the rice cook with its steam, so I don't put an equivalent of water. But guys, however you like cooking your rice, please do so. So once everything is well, I just checked my salt and my masala. I added some, and now it's perfect. I'm going to let this boil on high heat until it's boiling, and at this point I transfer it into some lower heat, because I don't want it to cook real fast. I just want it to, cook under very low heat. And guys, let me tell you, 30 minutes later our rice was ready. Look at that. So at this point the rice is ready. I switched off my cooker and covered it to continue cooking with the steam, and that's what is going to help you get the rice that is not ugali, or is not all smashed up. But guys, look at that. Who does not want a taste of my chicken pilau? And guys, oh my goodness, we feasted on this pilau like nobody's business. This was so yummy. It was so delicious. So that's my guacamole. I am going to transfer it into a nice bowl. But guys, that's it. Look at that. Look at that. So try out this recipe, guys, then tag me on Instagram. I guarantee you are going to love this. Look at that kachumbari, guys. Oh my goodness. I mean, who doesn't want a piece of this amazing meal? So guys, that's it for today's video. Remember to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here below. Thank you so much for watching until the end. For those who have not subscribed, kindly please do subscribe. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and it will really help my channel. And guys, let's keep growing. And that's it for today's video. See you on the next one, guys. Stay blessed, and until next time, guys, bye.